Hi, this is Ron Watts, and I have here a Kootek cabin air filter. Now, what I'm going to do with this, I have a Prius C, and this one's designed for a lot of the Toyotas, and hopefully it's going to work on my Prius C. So this is a 2-pack, so I've got 2 filters in here, and I'll just show you one. They come individually wrapped in plastic, and boy, that's a charcoal activated filter. Looks like a nice filter, and now I got to see what kind of shape the one is in my car. Let's do the replacement, see how it looks. Okay, now first thing I found is this doesn't look like it does in the other Toyota things I've seen in films. It's got a little clip in here, so I'm going to try to grab that and get it together so I can get that piece off of there. Because it looks like that just snaps on. Yeah, it does. So there we go. That came off. Okay. Yep, that came off, and then now that that's off, I should be able to push this thing together and get it out. Okay, these things are really interesting. You got to get one of them off and get the other one off. Got that one off. And that falls down. Ta-da! And then the air filter is right there. Okay, now I just have to figure out how to get in. Okay, so there's the filter, and you can see there's kind of a clip on the end here. Right there, that little clip, and you just squeeze those together, and that comes out. And then this thing just comes off. And here you go. And up is up. And then there's our filter. Okay, we'll pull this rascal out of here. Okay. Oh, and it's, yeah, this is for a white filter. This used to be white. And it is, this is one filthy guy, as you can see. You can see from this is not charcoal activated. This is just dirty. Wow. Okay, let's put in the charcoal filter in place of it. I've got this one here. I'm going to put in place of it. This one's got charcoal activation in it, so it's got this gray look to it. Let's see what we... Okay, so here you can see I've got arrows pointing up. And that's the way that's going to go in there. So the arrows are going to go up. And I'm going to just push that in, and that's all there is to that. And now that that's in, I'll just put the other part in place. And you can see the little hooks here. Interesting. And we've got up right there on that too, see? Okay, so we want to take this guy, and he's supposed to slide in there, and it looks like somebody broke off one of the little hooks, one of the Toyota people who, if they ever replaced the filter, that filter looks like it never got replaced. Now it's snapped in place here, and it's in place on that end, but there should be a little plastic clip down here too, and it's broken off because one of those people broke it off for me. Well, anyway, that's done. Filter's replaced, and now it's just a matter of picking up this guy and putting him back in place, which shouldn't be any sweat at all. Now, this thing, as you can see right here, this just little clips here that go right over that bottom part, so that's pretty easy to take care of. And these side clips will just pop right into place when you push it up. So I'll just do that, and sure enough, there they are. And then this guy right here, we just put him over the end, and like that. Just did that with finger pressure, and voila, it's done. Is that cool or what? Well, that was easy. No sweat at all to do that. I mean, just anybody could do that. Just get a pair of pliers and you're done. At least in the Prius C, and if it works in the Prius C, it's likely to work in all the Toyota Priuses. And that filter is a lot more rigid than the one that was in there. The factory filter has more rigid edges, and it holds up better, and it's charcoal activated, which the other one wasn't. Once we turned some air on, the air was clean and nice smelling. It was very good. Big thumbs up.